Why does your scanner show the P1312 engine code? What does it mean? P1312 is a diagnostic trouble code for ignition, coil knock detection, cylinder 1 and 2. The P1312 engine code for indicate. The powertrain control module, PCM, has detected a fault in the glow plug or heater indicator circuit. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Failing ignition coil or direct ignition, worn or incorrect spark plugs, corroded ionization connector, oil leaking into the spark plug wells, damaged wiring or bad grounds. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Saab, Ford, Subaru, Hyundai, and Honda. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.